everybody, and welcome back to Called Dara Creative Creations. My name is Roxana, and today we are making a St. Patrick's Day wreath. We are working with some beautiful eucalyptus, little greeneries. We also got this floral, which we might use. We also got these St. Patrick's Day clovers. We got some of these clovers, glittery clovers. We got some 69-inch burlap. We also got one 75-inch green mesh. We also got another 79 green mesh. Okay, with that said, let's get this beauty started. First thing first, I got this and I just got on the back, glued on. Put a pipe cleaner in the back, and that's what we're going to do. Get the super glue on and glue it together. And voila, there it is. We got it on. Bam, look at it. Ooh, okay, now we are going to, it's kind of wobbly. We're going to use our burlap. Excuse me, all you beautiful greenery. Okay, we are going to put this burlap right on up in here. Let's get this going right here. Yeah, I decided to put out a St. Patrick's Day. Here we go. Well, I think I got one more going on St. Patrick's Day. Then we'll probably go into Easter. Yes, I think we are going to go. Easter's just right around the corner. There we go, like that. This burlap ribbon is so neat, I think it is. If I could get more creative stuff on there with it, it would look nice. There. Let's get that right in here. Got this going. There we go. Another one. Let's get this little piece up right in here. Grab these ribbon, these wreaths, and pinch it together like that. Kind of put this in like that. There we go. Oh, how is that? Look at it, match with that. Okay, now we're going to take one of our meshes. This is just a roll of, the normal, what do you call it? Mesh, like in a 99-cent store. Put that on right there. I just cut it in half. Then we are going to make our loops. We are going to make our loops. One, I forgot. One, these are going to be a long ones. 2 16-inch loops. Bam! Ay, 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 mama. I just have practicing in my test. I got to renew my license. It's been in my head. I've been practicing. Every 5 years, you got to renew your license. So I was doing that last night. I was figuring to go today, but I just do not know. I might go tomorrow. But I will get it and I will pass it. Okay, we got 2 loops going there. We're going to come down. We're going to flip this over here. We're going to get 2 more going. Ay, ay, ay. There we go. Okay, 1. One. It's just going all over. 1 and 2. Bam. We're going to get this guy right here. Pin that in there. Bam. There. Okay, we got that going right here. Look at that. I think this should be scooted over a little bit. There we go. We got it. And we're going to get this one around. Come on, let's get it back. Back to the rebaker, mama. Okay, here we're going to do another one. We're going to get these loops. 1. We're going to get another loop. Bam, look. Woo. Okay. Dun, da, da, da. We got it. Okay, we're going to go down right here. We're going to go pa-pam right here. Woo. Okay, here we go. Bam. Look. There. Okay, then we're going to roll down here. Look at that. Woo. Colors are going together. We're going to make, let me see. I think we're going to make a 1-2 loop. We got enough to make a 2 loop. We're going to get that and we're going to stick that in get one of these guys out, and here we go. Bam, look at that. Woo, okay, how's that looking? Let's get these out of the way, and we're going to get our greenery going on. Doo-doo-doo. Let's get some of these greenery eucalyptus going on up in here. Woo, yeah. Okay. There we go. We got that going. Bam, bam. Look at that. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, then we're going to get another one over here. Let's get this one going. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Ooh. Here we go. We got this going on. Let's get this over here on this side. Just move this around in your wreath where there's some excess open spaces. Okay, let's get this right here. Woo! There we go. Okay, let's get some down in here. Look at this. Wait, I think we're going to put the floral there. We got a floral, okay? See anything else coming on up here? Got that, got that. We're going to put some right in here. Get the floral little wink. Okay, and I'm going to get some more right down in here. There we go. Easter, Easter, Easter. Okay, then we're going to get some down in here. Look at that. Wow. Get some going in here. Like easy working with this beautiful wreath. Just pam. Look at that. Woo. Okay. There we go. Get these all out. Get these all out going. Okay, now we're going to get down. I think we're going to put this in here. Pam. I was debating, but let's give it some kind of color. Some little. How about that, everybody? How's it look? Oh, let me step back and let me visualize on this. Wow, looking good, Mama. And we are going to go wild with these shamrock. Ooh, look at bam. Bam, look at that. Let's get that St. Patrick's look in there going. Look at what the burlap. Oh my, yeah. Look at that. Woo. There. I just bought a bundle the other day. Here we go. Let's get some up here. Wow, look at that. How's it looking, everybody? Thumbs up, or are you going to leave a comment? I love you guys' comment. There we go. Let's get this guy in here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, how easy is this one, everybody? Look. I don't know about the mesh. I have to work with the mesh, but hey, we got it. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, I'm getting in the groove now, everybody. Yes, indeed. Woo, look at that. Okay, let's just get these all around here. Look at that. Woo. Just go wild with these guys. Oh, we gotta get some in here, huh? Bam. There. Woo. Move it out. Get some more right. In here. Woo. Okay, there it is, everybody. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna get these little sparkly larklies out. Wow, let's put one up here. Looks spectacular for this guy. Ooh, look at that. Bam, look. Ooh, now I'm getting in the groove. Wow, it's coming alive. Woo, okay. Put this like this way so we can. There. Wow, okay, you know, I got this spectacular clover which I put on the thing. You know what, everybody? I am just going to pin this up for y'all so you can see. We can all visualize, and I can put the big old thing on right here. Okay, let me adjust my camera so you all could see what's going on. Okay, look at that. Okay, let's pin that right there. Right there. Okay. Then I am going to put this on. Ooh. We're going to get this on here, everybody. Ooh, look at this. This is the finale, and there it is. Wow. Excuse me. How's that looking, everybody? Once again, Thank you guys for coming to my channel. Look, just be creative, use different ribbons, items, and you would come out with a beauty. How'd that come out? But it came out pretty good, huh? Till the next video, everybody, I think we got one more going on, then we're going to go to Easter. But thanks, everybody, for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's get that smile on, mama. Have a great day, everybody. And thank you. Ooh, beautiful.